methods for transmitting data. Earlier I told what is Li-Fi in a previous video. How Li-Fi module will be there. In that, one of the important component is laser diode. Okay, for transmitting the data. How the this video. So this is like a laser. Okay. So what is a laser? A laser is a divide that generates coherent light intensity. Okay, is known as a laser like this. So uh, it can generate of different colors like this. Light of different colors. Okay, violet, blue, green, red. Okay, so laser is abbreviated as light amplification by stimulation emission of radiation. Okay, this is the abbreviation because the basic principle is stimulated emission. Okay, the laser working. Okay, so this is basic structure of inside of a laser. So a laser diode is a normal diode. Okay, now P, this anode, P type and N type. So this in this P type and N type material, it is formed by doping aluminum or silicate to gallium arsenide. Because we are operating at high frequency, so this gallium arsenide is doped with either aluminum or silicon to form N and P materials. So in this between, okay, again one undoped active region is there. Okay, so this is active region. Uh, this is having very narrow this thing, and here this will increase the emission, okay, of ions, and the light will come out, emitted light from here. Okay, so these two are P and N. In between, undoped active material will be there. Okay, and these are the mirror polished deflecting surfaces. Because light, it should not go here, so it should reflect back. So for that they put mirror polished here and here. Okay, so this is the way. So now see this is for colors. Suppose you want to get ultraviolet, you have to use gallium nitrate, that is gallium nitrate, GAN, and uh, aluminium gallium arsenide, AIGA, to get ultraviolet. This color, if you want this color, you have to use these materials here. Similarly for blue, this silicon carbide and gallium nitrate. Okay. Similarly, green phosphate you should use. Gallium phosphate, which is of green color. Sim Gallium arsenide for red color. Gallium arsenide, gallium phosphate, indium is for cyan. Blue is for silicon carbide and gallium nitrate. So if you use these materials, you'll get that color. Okay. So this is the basic structure of laser. So this is the working principle of laser, that is absorption, spontaneous emission and stimulated emission. So first it will, that means these are the energy levels E1 and E2. So this moves from here to here, it emits some photons. Again this photon will again hit the array, again it gets stimulated and you'll get more number of photons. By this three states: absorption, spontaneous emission and stimulated emission. So these are the basic laser characteristics. First is the wavelength, then gain, bandwidth, monochromatic, spatial and temporal profiles, output and coherence and polarization.